Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you the Milkshake TikTok trend CapCut edit tutorial. So if you want to learn how to create the viral Milkshake TikTok trend edit using CapCut, here I'm going to show you how you can make this trending aesthetic edit easily, and this will be perfect for anyone who wants to recreate the viral TikTok milkshake transition trend or make their own stylish reels and shorts in 2025. So what you need to do is just open your CapCut mobile, and here click on the templates button, click on the search column at the top, and then you can just use the keyword milkshake, this one. And as you guys can see, there will be lots of template using the milkshake song or the milkshake trend on TikTok, so you can just choose which one that you want. There also this one is on real size, this one on square, and here is for reels or TikTok, and also this one. So if you want to upload it into TikTok or Reels, I suggest you to choose the one with TikTok or Reels ratio. For example, I'm going to use this one in here. Now you can just tap on use template and add your photos. So for example, I'm going to add I want to just add random photos right here. To fill in the template. Now tap on next, and this is the milkshake edit, so you can get the edit easily before without having to edit it from scratch. And this is your milkshake trend edit on CapCut. If you want to adjust or readjust the position of each photo, you can just click on a photo, click on crop, and here you can zoom in or you can crop to highlight the moment. So guys, that's how you can easily create the milkshake trend video using CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.